Welcome to the Audio Insider Podcast from AXPONA. Today we are here with Cynthia from Goldmund. This is interesting because you guys are a Swiss company, and that's like my dream destination is Switzerland. So I'm really excited to see what hi-fi is like. You know, we're doing these system tours, and I'm so excited because it is some quality looking speakers we have around us and everything. So, you know, don't disappoint me here. I'm very excited. I love the whole Swiss story. So tell me a little bit about the brand and about what you have here at the show.
So Goldmund is a brand that exists since 1978. It is a Swiss brand, as you mentioned well. So we are a Swiss manufacturer. We have a large product portfolio. So we manufacture sound speakers, amplifiers, preamplifiers, passive and active speakers, sound sources like Streamer, the ADOS, which was made in partnership with Pinkphone that we have currently on display. These are the RHEAs, and they are part of our current speaker collection. So they have digital signal processing, and the amplifiers are built in. Actually, this is one of the pillars of our brand, which we have three pillars. Is really the audiophile-grade sound quality and the user friendliness of the systems. This is why we are very focused on active speakers, although we still have a large range of products in the audiophile category. And the third pillar, it's really the aesthetical design. So to overcome the WAF factor.
And like I went up to these speakers and I see the sides kind of have like this straight look to them, and I went up and it's not just that, they're like etched and angled all the way through. So you can see that like Swiss quality in the build, which is just amazing. You guys do a lot of interesting builds like that and quality builds, right?
Yeah, definitely that is one of our strong points. Like we have an extremely precise mechanics. So our aluminium provider also works with Formula One, aerospatial industry. So they are really focused in also the watchmaking, luxury watchmaking industry. And as you can see in the system, the panels have been assembled with invisible assemblies and completely screw-free design, and this was actually a technical development we have achieved in the current speaker collection. Also, these speakers have a different design process from the previous collection, where actually the form follows the function. So the previous speakers, we had the design, the aesthetical design being defined prior to the speaker system design in itself. So the technical acoustical part was modeled after the speaker design. And in the case of the new collection, we had our acoustic and electronics engineers deciding what would be the perfect speaker, and then provided those guidelines and constraints to the aesthetical designer, who had to follow certain volumes, etc., to produce the final design.
It's amazing. You can see the Swiss quality. Like, that's a thing. So thank you so much for taking the time out to talk about Goldmund. It's amazing looking stuff. I was impressed when I walked up to them, and that wasn't just a design painted on. You could see the quality in the build of the speakers. So hey, we appreciate you joining us today for the Audio Insider Podcast from AXPONA. We will see you guys next time.